Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video I will show you how to enable AV1 video playback support in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To begin, open your Windows search bar and type the word Store. Select the Microsoft Store application from the search results. Allow the store to fully load. Once it is ready, use the search bar within the Microsoft Store to find AV1 and press Enter. You should see the AV1 video extension appear in the results. It is important to verify that this extension is from Microsoft Corporation. Click on the extension, and then select the option to open or install it. The process will then proceed to install the necessary support for AV1 playback. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.